Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Rachel and this is Stitched Up. So, really quick vlog today. I have just got home from work to Beyond the Pink Door. I never get this as quick as everybody else, and I have. So I thought I would come on and do an unboxing. I haven't done one of these for ages, and I don't normally do them, to be honest, because lots of other people do them, and I'm sure lots of you have watched their vlogs already. So, but because I've got this in quite good time today, I thought I would do an unboxing with you. And this is the only subscription box that I subscribe to, which is Andrea, who is the owner of Beyond the Pink Door. I will link to it down below if you've not heard of her. She's over in Ireland and she has the most amazing fabric shop. I want to go visit, I really do, because I would just raid it totally. But yes, her subscription boxes are amazing. She just has this incredible knowledge and just knows what people like. It's just great. Anyway, I've got my box. I've just got in from work. Martin and I are going to head off to the beach soon, and so I thought I would just quickly come on and unbox it with you live. So let's just dig in and see what is inside this month, because as I say, we're heading off to the beach. It's not beach weather really, but we're going to take the dog because there is a beach that is about an hour away from us that is very dog friendly, and they've got a nice little cafe there, and I thought it would be nice for us just to go and have some fresh air and relax a little bit. I'm sorry for the rustling and excuse the mess behind me. So anyway, you get this little box with a gorgeous sticker on, which is the Think Pink Sewscription box, and then inside you get it all nicely packaged in pink with a QR code which enables you to link to a private vlog that Andrea puts up just for subscribers of the Sewscription box, so you can go and have a look at her ideas for the contents. So, didn't mean to knock you there. Let's open up and see what we've got. Oh, wow. So, you always get a little card, which is usually an image of the fabric, and it says, never let your lipstick on your bobbin run out. So inside here we have what looks like a little lipstick, but I have a suspicion, yes, it is. It's a little needle minder. I've got one of these already, and when I watched Ruan's vlog where she did her Dahlia Society unboxing yesterday, I think she put that up yesterday, or whenever, it was Thursday, whenever you get to watch this, because I'm not sure when I'm going to get this vlog up, hopefully tonight, but it might be tomorrow, which will be Saturday. I'm rambling. Yeah, she had one of these very similar in that Sewscription box. So it looks like a lipstick, but it's got a little sort of pin cushion at the end that you can put needles in, which is great. I am nearly out of needles at the minute, and I'm always losing them. I do have one of these little needle minders, this little thing that I got from one of the So Hayley Jane boxes a while ago, but to be honest, I just find that it doesn't always hold my needles very well, and they end up just going all over the floor. But these are great because they're totally contained, which is very pet friendly. So that's the first thing. The next thing we've got is some self-covered buttons. So I have used these before. You need like a separate little button maker tool to use them, and I will admit I don't find them easy to use, and I think it's just one of those things that you have to practice at, but they're always very handy to have in. And it's nice to get metal ones, because a lot of the time the ones that they sell are plastic, so that's really good, because I much prefer to have the metal ones than plastic ones anyway. So that's the next thing that we've got in there. We've got a little reel of Gutterman thread in a gorgeous shade of pink. That's beautiful. And we've also got a invisible zip in white. This is a really long one actually, 22-inch, so that's great as well. And then we've got a little sealed package here. Now Andrea always puts in a little gift, which is usually something from an independent maker from a very small business that's local to her. So it's exciting to see what's in here this time. What have we got? So there is a little card which says thank you for your support on, and there is a little discount code on there, so I'm not going to show you that. And then, oh wow, some gorgeous little earrings. Look at those, they're gorgeous. So these are, it says created by Charis. So some beautiful little earrings, they're lovely. Love those. And then, yeah, a little discount code. And then finally, just excuse the chatter in the background, we have the fabric. Oh, wow. This is just amazing. It really is. I think this rivals the fabric that was in the first subscription box that Andrea did. Look at that. This is a beautiful, beautiful viscose in these gorgeous pinks. Now, I did mention on this week's vlog that I am not a huge fan of ditzy prints. I much prefer the bigger, bold prints, but I really like this. It's stunningly gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So usually I think there's 2.5 meters of woven fabric that Andrea does. Yeah, it looks like there's about that in here. So obviously plenty to make a dress. I have no idea what I would make with this, but I'm thinking saltwater slip dress. That's what we're all thinking. I know that's what other people will be thinking too, because it's just gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much, Andrea. Give me your ideas. What do you think I should make with this? It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love it. Another absolute hit, Andrea. She just never gets this wrong, does she? She's amazing. Right, so I will leave the link to Andrea's website down below. If you've not heard of her before, you must have heard of her, because she does a super, she does a really good fabric live sewing chat vlog on a Sunday evening, which is usually at 7 o'clock. And I love watching it because you get to see the fabrics, the new fabrics that she gets in that week, and it's just brilliant. It's really good. And she also does a Zoom sort of chatty get together during the week as well, when I've not had a chance to sort of do that for a while, to be honest, but I'd love to join in on one of those when I get some time. So, but this is beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it. Absolutely love it. Right, I'm gonna go because, as I say, we are heading to the beach, but I couldn't wait to open that and leave it till I got back later. So I'm going to be filming this weekend, yeah, a weekend vlog, so we'll see what we get up to, and I think I'll probably start filming it from when we get to the beach. So yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed having a look at my little unboxing, and I will be back with you really soon. Take care. Bye.